We have updated our app according to Shopify's newest API policy. If you have Shopify stores connected with SourcinBox, to ensure that your store orders can be fulfilled normally, you'll need to reauthorize SourcinBox for your Shopify stores before April 1, 2023. After logging in, you'll see a pop-up notice stating that your Shopify stores need to be reauthorized. Please click on the Reauthorize button and you will be directed to your store admin page. Then please click Update App to finish the reauthorization. After successful reauthorization, you will get back to the SourcinBox Manage Stores section and the Reauthorize button will disappear. Note, if you don't see the pop-up notification, please check your Shopify stores in the Manage Store section, and stores that have the Reauthorize button behind are required for reauthorization. Please contact your customer manager for help if you have any questions about this.